Hello, you're welcome to yet another edition of the COVID-19 Craft with Najib
and helpers.
Today we're designing a special card for all mothers. To start with, we need a poster color, we need a pair of scissors, a pencil, any measuring tool, a bottle of glue, and any kind of paper. It could be A4 or cardboard or any special paper you can use. We also need felt pens, colored pencils, or crayon. To start with, you need to get the shape of the paper you want and fold it into two, and then you trace or draw the outline of the paper on another bigger paper and then cut it out. We then measure 2 centimeters each of the sides of the paper, the cut out paper, and then cut off. This is just to have it smaller than the main card paper we cut out earlier. So to do that, we then trim the edges of all 2 papers to make it a bit round or stylish. We then, to make the work colorful, we then fold a piece of paper or crumple a piece of paper and then dip into the poster color or acrylic color and then stamp them onto the main work. So we then design the smaller paper with broken lines. You can also use any other design. We now need a trace out of an arm. So we do that by tracing out one hand and then cutting it out. We actually need 2 of the arms. So then we now glue the back of the smaller paper we cut out, the one we did the broken line design on. We apply the glue all over at the back, and then we glue our pieces together. We then glue our hand, we fold one part of it and then glue the smaller portion of it and then paste onto the main card, the one we applied as in stamped on with the colors. So we now join our pieces together. We now paste the smaller paper onto the bigger paper. So you make sure it's well placed. We now write on the main card any inscription you would want to have on the card. Hooray! We have our Big Hug Mother's Day card ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe
and comment for more videos. Bye.